Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shikha and today we are going to discuss about user interface design. In this video, we will gonna to learn about what is user interface design, and from this we will create one application and run it. Now, the contents are introduction, motivation, source code, description of my design that we made application there and its importance. Now, introduction. User interface UI design is the process designers use to build interfaces in software or computerized device, focusing on looks or styles. Then, like in this, the designers they will build interfaces in software or computerized device that will focus on looks or styles, what it will look as we enter on the website or any front page. Designers aims to create interfaces which users find easy to use. UI design refers to graphical user interfaces and other form. For example, voice controlled interfaces. User interfaces are the access points where users interact with designs. The interact with the designs. Like in this user interfaces, they are the access points where users interact with the designs. They came in three formats. Now, the three formats are graphical user interface, voice controlled interface, and gesture based interface. Graphical user interface. This is the very important form of the user interface design. In this, users interact with visual representations on digital control panels. A computer's desktop is a GUI. Then the next one is voice controlled interfaces, that is VUIs. Users interact with these through their voices. Most smart assistants, for example, Siri on iPhone and Alexa on Amazon, and as you can see that in UPIs we have that the voice messages they will tell after we will make any online payment through our UPIs. So these are comes under the voice control interfaces. Now, the last one is gesture-based interfaces. Users engage with 3D design spaces through bodily motions, for example, in virtual reality VR games. Now, the next is motivation. So what is the motivation to use this user interface design? So the first is friendly interface. The system offers an user-friendly interface accessible through a mobile app. The interface provides easy navigation, medication management, and reminder settings. The next one is database server. The database server is responsible for storing and managing the medicine data. It stores information such as medicine names. The server handles queries and data manipulation operations. So these are the basic criteria that motivates us, that makes us to use this database server. Now, medicine data storage. This component represents the actual storage medium where the medicine data is stored. For this medicine data storage, the component it represents actual storage medium. It will show where the data is gonna to be stored of our medicine, where is going it is gonna to be stored medium where the medicine is stored. It can be a rational database, a NoSQL database without using SQL, or any other suitable data storage system. Now, from using these, now these are the means motivations or introduction of the user interface designs. Now, with this, we are gonna to use by using in Android Studio, we are gonna to make an application based on this. The source code of that application is given as here. So now I will open Android Studio and I will let you guys know. So this application is one decryption application. In this, any messages that you will write, it will get encrypted, and then it will get decrypted also according to you. So as you can see, these are the codes for this. These are the Java code, and this is XML code for the representation of that. You can see the designings we have to make. These are the designings that we have to make. These are the codes, and resources are there, which will represent what and all are there like this. So these are the resources, what, and then like all these things we made, and then in designing part like this you can see. I can make, I will make it zoom it. Yeah, these are the designs, and if we are familiar with the Android Studio, so we can know how to make these designs. And these are the designs, and then these are the I can show these are the codes that are gonna to be worked in the background, so that our messages will get encrypt and decrypt according to user's wish. Now, when we will run, the output of this will be coming like this is the output, as you can see here. So I will show one new to you guys. That is, let's give a user interface design. So we will give user itself. Now we will give it decrypt, encrypt. So now this is the encrypt code that they gave. Means this is the encryption code that they provided. Okay. Now you can see, yeah, this is the full interface. This how it will be visible. Now this is the, as I gave the one simple word, that is user. Now it gives its encryption code. Now if we want, we can decrypt it also. Like if we will just give this code itself, like we'll copy this code, and now we'll see enter a text to encrypt, and here it will be like we is same for decrypt also. So we will give here paste. So we'll give control. So here in clipboard we can see, yeah, this is there. Yeah, this is the code that this is the thing that we get from the data. Now we will give it for decrypt. You see, from the user we get this. So now you can see here, as we give for decrypt, it's shown that yeah, it can make it decrypt, and we got the output as user. So these are and we can change the layouts also. We can change all the things according to us, and but still it will be working as an app in our phones. And these are the codes. And now I will show you how these are the codes. Now source code. These are the source codes. Afterwards, these are the snapshots, how it will be. As you can see, this is the font, that is front page. Here we can text for encrypt, and here for decrypt. As I showed you for data, it will be like this. When we put encrypt, you will get this. And when if we'll enter this, so we will get, and we'll click on this to decrypt, then you will get again data as the output. Now, the description of this is user interface. This component provides the interface for users to interact with medicine database system. It can be a web application, a mobile app, or any other user-friendly interface that allows user to input, view, and manage. And the application that we made here, its logic is so that our data should be safe. As in this application, instead of providing the very in simple way, like in data, like any message that we want to give it, pass it through without the other person should know, so we can encrypt it, and there by using the decryption they can get the message. Now, so these are the like application, these are the logic behind this, and these are the importance of this application. So importance of this user interface design is attracting and acquiring new customers. It quality UI design contributes greatly to the positive user experience in combination with UX design strategies. This can be a big competitive advantage and help you to attract more people towards your design or brand. Because this, I told you right in starting, it works in fonts and logics and layouts, like what its styles for this user interface designs are there. And it can be in your boosting in your customer retention. Actually, it is full marketing kind of user friendly thing, so that it should be a it should be accepted by the society, and like it should be fun to use it. It should not be very bored, or like it is according to the user. Thank you, hope you guys understand the video. Thank you so much.